Okay, so driving the Mazda around and I saw a DPF light start to flash. Now apparently that DPF light has a dual purpose of also showing when the service interval is up. Now I have serviced the car, however I never reset a service interval. So if I show you that light real quick. There it is, flashing DPF. Okay, so apparently to change the service interval, ignore the flashy lights, to change the service interval, we need to ground a pin in the engine bay and then press the accelerator pedal while the car is not on 5 times. It should show a glow plug light to show that the service interval has been reset. So yeah, let's try that. Okay, so top right of that one to the neutral should be ground, which means so start the car without pressing these, brake or clutch. Is it because the door's open? There we go. Press the gas 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aha, glow plug. Okay, so maybe now I take the cable out. Yeah, I did see the glow plug this time. So yeah, so if I take this one out and try to start. We still see an icon, we do. Okay, why don't we turn it off and back on? Usually takes a second to come back on. Now, I don't know about you, but that doesn't look like I'm seeing any icons. Okay, so that looks like that's the fix.